Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change Google Maps voice language. To change Google Maps voice language, open up the Google Maps application on your device first. And from the home page, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Now, click on Settings. From the Settings menu, go ahead and scroll down until you find the voice search button and tap on it. Now select the language you want to use for the navigation. You can choose different accents or language such as English, Dutch, Espanol, and so on. After choosing one of these options, you will then be able to change the voice language. After selecting your preferred language, you can now go back to the main home screen, and then that is it. That's how you easily change Google Maps voice language in just a couple of steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.